When it comes to speaking his mind, he is bold.
It's so hard kasi you know what they say, honesty is the best policy. I would never want your name to be brought up on our show. The thing is we have a live program.
Pagdating sa pagbato ng mga matitinding katanungan, he is fearless.
Sino ang mas magaling humalik? Bianca King, Janeline Mercado.
Pangit ang question,
Hindi, come on, Patrick.
Kaya naman hindi nakapagtataka ang marami na ang nakabangga niya.
Ka mag-create ng kaaway.
Hindi niya ako gusto, eh di hindi. Yun lang naman yung reaction ko.
The big question is, was he really sincere? Because I don't think he was.
But what will happen when tables are turned at siya na ngayon ang isa lang sa isang controversial hot seat? Tanungin tungkol sa mga pinakatatago-tago niyang lihim at mga isyong iniiwas-iwasan siyang tanungin. He has the guts to ask the questions, pero gaano siya katapang to face his own killer question? Will he seal or reveal it? This afternoon, Mo Twister haharap sa special jury live.
Happy birthday, Mo!
Wow, ang lapit mo naman.
Nervous na nervous, binabalaan pa ako. Huwag mo akong balabalaan at bataan dahil ang magtatanong sa'yo, mga special po. Walang iba kundi si Kuya Mario Bautista and of course, si Jano Gibbs.
Wow.
Sila ang nasa central jury ngayon, mga kapuso. At si DJ Mo ang nasa hot seat.
Basta ang
ngayon.
dami kong alam tungkol sa'yo.
Wala, birthday mo to. Huwag
Basta
kang
kung may yung mga
magsasalita tungkol
tanong
sa
na
akin.
yan,
Hindi ko
sobrang
birthday.
yung mga binubunong ko sa'yo, maglalabas ako ng mga Billy Crawford ako
Teka
dito.
lang.
Oh, sige.
Kapal ng mukha ko. Sandali yung mga faces.
Go.
Faces po na dapat mong pagpilian. Si Kuya Germs, Nanay Lolit, at Christine Reyes. Ano, sino?
Si Kuya Germs,
Sino
ang
gusto mo?
isa sa mga bihirang uminit ang ulo niyan eh. Ikaw ang isa sa
Ikaw
mga taong
lang.
nagpainit ng ulo
Chano.
niya. Si Nanay Lolit, naging close kayo pero matindi yung pag-aaway nyo.
DJ Monyo ang
Si
tawag.
Oo. Christine Reyes naman, aminado ka naman na crush mo at sexy para sa'yo. So, mamili ka kung sino sa kanila ang
Pindot ko?
Bago mo pindutin, sino munang gusto mo?
Manay Lolit.
O sige, go, pindot. Tingnan natin kung sino
Tingnan natin.
lalabas.
Nako, takot dito.
Parang,
Come on, Lolit. Oh! Perfect.
perfect.
Sige,
This
go.
is your destiny.
Go.
Mga kaibigan, meron pong tanong si Nanay Lolit. Panoorin niyo po.
DJ Mo, happy birthday. At ito ang birthday gift ko sa'yo. Nagkaroon ka na ba ng karanasan sa isang gay? Sabihin mo ang totoo.
No. Wala. Hindi, wala eh. Ako pa.
Grabe nag-react!
Teka lang.
Sabay-sabay!
Ilang linggo ba ako nandito na lahat ng girls naliling sa akin na ngayon, gay guy? No, di ba you guys are always teasing me about all the girls. Now, alam ko, John.
Hindi
John,
ibig sabihin,
ang dami mo
hindi ibig
inaaway?
sabihin na nachichismis ka sa girls, eh hindi ka pumapatol sa...
Hindi. Kahit John, close kami ni John eh. Nagsusweetan kami. That's it. That's as far as go. Hoy! Hindi, wala.
Pwede bang may nag-try na ba?
Wala eh. Hindi naman ako yung, di ba, hindi naman ako matinee idol looks eh. So, they have not tried. No one has tried. Hindi naman. Hindi naman.
Mo, nung una kang dumating dito sa showbiz, you were with SOP dito sa GMA,
That's
di ba?
right.
Ang lakas ng dating mo and everybody says you had a bright future ahead of you. But then something happened, you moved to the other station and nothing really happened while you were there. So, sama may regret ba dun sa ginawa mong paglipat at pag-alis mo sa GMA?
Wala naman regret. The part that I regret the most nung umalis ako ng GMA like 10 years ago was leaving like Jano, who I really and this is not dahil Jano dahil nandito ka, pero I think I also lahat ng success na inabutan ko dito sa aking career, I always name a few people. Siguro mga 3 or 4 people that got me here. And Jano is always one of the people that I always say that
Nox,
got
parang
me here.
ayaw ka niya,
Hindi,
Jano,
totoo.
magtanong.
Kasi without Jano,
Parang
hindi-
nagka-relasyon kayo.
hindi, kasi si Jano nag-promote siya yung album niya sa show ko. And really, it all started there na eventually magiging sa TV ako. So yung pag-regret ko na lang is really leaving the ones na really got me here. And that's
So,
the part
sino
that-
yung mga yun na, isa
pa yung dalawa
ako?
pa?
Isa si Jano.
Donita. and Donita was Channel 7, very Channel 7 at the time. when I
Niligawan mo
left.
ba si Donita?
Ito yun nga, yun doon nga ako pupunta eh, dahil
Oo
nabanggit
nga.
na niya si Donita.
Kasi alam niyo po mga kaibigan, si Jano Gibbs po talaga ay magpo-promote lang sana. Pero hindi niya po na nakayanan. Kaya ngayon, meron na po siyang mga questions.
Hindi,
Sige, Jano,
tatanong
go.
lang kasi nabanggit yung Donita.
Ganun ka-kalab ni Jano.
Alam ko, witness ako na sa friendship nyo ni Donita, diba, sa closeness nyo.
Witness din ako sa closeness niyo.
Oo, close tayong tatlo eh, di ba? Close tayong
Offensive
tatlo.
ka, ha? Sumagot ka.
At any point ba naging kayo dun sa friendship na...
No. With Donita, no. Really,
Nag-try ka ba? Nag-try ka?
hindi rin ako nag-try. Pero yung first time nakilala ko si Donita, syempre nagagandahan ako. Siya, wow, ang ganda na naman ng girl na to. But that's as far as it went. Wala nang crush, wala nang ligawan, walang naging kami. It was just all friendship.
Pero hindi ba dahil naging friends lang kayo, pero type mo siya, di ba?
Not
Hindi mo siya
really.
type?
Only when I first met her. Yung unang beses ko siya nakilala. Wow,
Bakit-
sabi ko, wow, ang ganda niya. Pero
Bakit
yun
lahat
lang.
ng mga naging girlfriend mo after, kahawig niya? Hinanap mo ba dahil naging friends lang kayo?
Like si
Hinanap
Janet
mo siya sa
McBride.
ibang babae? Ganon, si Janet
siguro-
McBride, si...
Sino ba?
Christine.
Sino Christine?
Si Bunny. Anyway,
Hermosa, Christine Hermosa.
Huy!
Baka-
I think it's just coincidence. I think there is a type na talaga na parang...
gusto niya mistisahin talaga eh. Di ba?
Parang
sometimes,
Donita,
siguro
parang
sometimes,
Donita.
yeah, parang
That's why
Donita. Parang
now
Donita
ang
yung...
crush-
Pero if you ask Donita naman,
Tsaka
sabihin mo naman kay
pumasok daw
Donita.
kayo sa t-shirt mag-isa, sinuot niyo daw.
Yeah, we do a lot of crazy things na if you see us ni Donita, sabihin, ay, mag-on sila.
Kasi
But we're
may
really not.
picture ako ng... meron akong nireading picture dyan of you and Donita inside one t-shirt. Meron,
Meron ba? Meron ba?
Hindi,
Meron.
wala.
Hindi. With the thing with Donita is, if you asked her before she got married to, sino ba ang lalaki na gusto mo i-marry one day? And she'll say, someone who's very much like me. And then ako naman, if I want to get married one day, someone na very much like Donita din. So in that case, type, we are each other's type, but we're very much friends
Bakit?
now.
At the time that you and Janet left and you lived together in the States,
Yes.
she was about to peak in her career. She won the Best New Movie Actress Award.
right.
And she had a very promising career. But she left that because of you, di ba? So, lumaya siya. So, would you say, do you think kung hindi kanya nakilala, she would have been a bigger star by now?
I think siya yung unang nag-decide umalis eh. Ako naman nag-follow lang. So I think the decision of leaving na ginawa ni Jeanette McBride was really something that she wanted to do. So it was her choice to begin with. And of course, we discussed it. Tapos nagsumunod
McBride
na lang
ba?
ako.
McBride.
Kala ko Bordon, si Janet Bordon.
Itong kind of question na itatanong mo. Sa dalawang naugnay sa'yo, si Bunny Paras at si Janet McBride, who's better in bed? Oh. Ikaw mahilig
Nako.
magtanong ng ganyan. So,
Ayan na,
tinatanong ko yan
Mario
sa'yo.
Bautista never gonna be on TV again. I don't think I could answer that kasi tinanong ko yan last time with one of our guests tapos na pinagalitan tayo yata ng powers that be. So let me just rephrase na who did I enjoy the
Being
relationship
with,
more? Yun
No,
nga, yun,
actually,
who
I
did
asked that para to put you in the shoes of the person na tinatanong
Yes,
mo.
good. And I felt it.
yeah.
Salamat. Siguro yung, I really loved Jeanette very much. Very much. And, parang I wish her the best. And sana, like, if there's any time na I can still do anything for her in a friendship manner, that I would do it. She was really super wonderful. And
Oy.
si Jeanette is very wonderful.
Wow.
Yeah.
Bakit
So-
daming babae mo nakakaaway?
Huh?
Oh, si Maui.
Bakit?
Hinapin mo raw.
Recently lang yan. There's a balance.
Bakit
Sino
nga?
hindi mo pa
Bakit
nakakasundo?
pumapatol ka sa
Dun sa mga
babae? Bakit
sa mga
pumapatol?
nakaaway mo, sino pa ang hindi mo nakasundo?
Ngayon?
Yung iba okay na. Sino pa?
Si Rufa May, nakaaway din niya.
Yeah, si Rufa May, okay na kami.
Okay na
Maybe
kami.
Maui, it's not na hindi sa kasundo. We haven't had the chance na mag-usap with Maui, but I would love to, just patch things up with
Eh si Andy, anong real
Andy.
score between the two of you?
Andy Manzano is probably the closest friend I have right now, not just in the industry, but just anywhere. That's why, alam ko nalilink kami ni Andy, yung partner ko sa radio, and why not? She's beautiful, she's very friendly, and we're
Oo
super
nga.
close. So,
Tama.
pero right now, I mean, it's nothing.
Ikaw lang ngayon ang isa sa few talents na mayroong shows in both networks. If worst comes to worst and somebody asks you, which one is nearer your heart at kung papipiliin ka, what will be your answer?
That's a
After
tough
that,
question.
nandiyan na yung killer question.
Yan dapat yung killer
Dali,
question.
hindi. Sagutin mo yan, tapos andyan.
Yeah,
na
yan
killer
dapat yung killer question. Mahirap yan. If I would have to pick between both networks, man.
Ala.
Honest.
Wow.
So, nalilito ka pala, nahihirap.
Honest.
Kasi
You know
kung
what?
ako,
You know
kung ako
what?
tatanungin
Pag
mo,
ginagawa mo
bilis
dito,
yung
palisin
sagot.
na yan.
Sige.
Oh, okay,
ako,
question
no,
mo
you
yan.
know,
Bilis na.
honestly, I'll go. Sige, I'll go GMA. I'll go GMA 7.
Why?
Killer question na, killer
Oh,
question.
killer.
Sige,
Habang
sige, let me go.
sinasagot mo yun, why? Kunin mo yung killer question.
Kasi,
Tapos,
it's, well,
it's up to, bakit?
ay, nako. Both staffs are very good sa network, yung staff nila. Pero, it just feels like parang, the opportunity to guest, I'm always guesting dito sa GMA. So, they're very faithful. And dito ako nag-start. Okay, so here we go. Ito yung killer question ko. Just go. Ito na. Wow. Okay. Sabi ko kanina, I will answer. Sino ba nagsabi na to? Sino nagbigay? Sino yung research? Si
Eh, di
Christine.
researcher, tatanong pa.
Si Christine Hermosa raw ang totoong...
Wait. Oh, are you gonna
Reveal.
seal or reveal?
Reveal! Sabi ko kanina sa umpisa. Reveal.
Ikaw naman, oh,
I will
sabi
reveal.
mo.
Ang hirap to ah. Si Christine Hermosa raw ang totoong dahilan ng hiwalayan nyo ni Bunny Paras noon. Nakita natin yon. At mahal mo pa rin si Christine, kaya't gusto mo siyang balikan ngayon. Wow, so two-part question. Okay.
Yeah.
Si
Siya ba ang
Christine
dahilan?
sa... No, yung, hindi siya naman yung dahilan mismo. With kami yung relationship namin ni Bunny was really like, I think, ayoko naman sabihin doomed. It wasn't doomed. It was, hindi mag-work out. It doesn't matter who was in the way. And Christine was not in the way of the relationship namin ni Bunny. Wala siyang hold on the thing. And hindi naman naging kami ni Christine. But, of course, at the time, I felt very much for Christine, you know. Like, I really, really enjoyed her company. We were partners sa isang TV show. This is just my feeling. Hindi naman yung feeling ni Christine.
Pwede
to.
bang
So,
magdagdag lang?
Oh.
Walang naganap na sampalan.
ni Christine. Hindi naman sampalan. Hindi naman sampalan yata.
Huwag ka mo!
Mga hair pulling lang. Hindi. Wala yata. I mean, confrontation, pero hindi naman yung sampalan. And this is just my answer. Hindi naman yung answer ni Christine to. Na I really liked her at the time. So, mahal mo pa rin ba si Christine kaya gusto mo siyang balikan ngayon? The answer is no. Definitely. Ang tagal na nun eh. The whole Christine thing was a very long time ago. So, right now, when I see her or I talk to her, I enjoy her company. But we've both moved on.
May girlfriend ka na talaga ngayon.
Wala. Still single.
Okay.
Jan Lapos, ano? Let's go.
Ayan.
How do you see yourself 10 years from now? Since you're 30 na, di ba?
Yes, 30 na.
So, in the next 10 years, what do you expect to happen in your life?
Sana I'll get married in the next 10 years. I'll also...
Bale, next.
Sana nandito rin ako celebrating my 40th birthday. Naka-hot seat ako sa Showbiz
Thank you so much.
Yes, right.
Maraming salamat sa
Happy
pagiging
birthday.
mo.
Birthday.
Thank you, Jano.
More
Thank you,
power.
Mario.
And Tito Mario.
Rufa May.
And congrats sa
Jano.
bagong show mo.
Yes, Jano,
Panoorin niyo po yun. And thank you, congrats. Siyempre po, susunod na! Panay Lolit! Nako! Live na live!
Ako, yan na si Manay Lolit. Halika na, mag-pogi mo.